So anyway, this is the name of these lights. I bought them on Amazon. I got an 8-pack, and I think it was only like 35 bucks. And you get 8 lights. That's a pretty good deal. All right, so I'm going to show you how these come. They're all wrapped up like this. So you got to get it out of the plastic, right? So here's your light head, and it's shoved through this little thing here. You just pull it through. The first thing you want to do is unwind it so you got some room, and then you got to clean out the ends and make them a little bit longer so that you can connect them to your lines. So we got to go on there with a 16 gauge, or whatever that means. I don't know. It means something. You twist it this way, then you just pull it, and it just comes off and cleans it. Do the same thing on the other side. Right around, pull it, bam. And so now you're ready. Those are nice and clean. We can use them. Now we got to hook this up, and they come with these things here, and you've got to untwist this. Make sure you put your finger on the back of this because you don't want to lose the nut. And so this comes right off like that, and then you're just going to set it in that little hole there with the little, see that little thing? Goes right in there like that. It's got little threads on there so it kind of catches. You just got to get it on there, and it gets on there nice and tight. Then you come to the other side, and you just shove that baby through there. Keep your finger on the nut so it doesn't pop out, and then you just twist it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Bam, done. Get it nice and tight, and then put one of these bad boys in there. Yeah, look at that. And I'm not gonna. I've got a bunch of them to do, so I'm not gonna, bore you with doing all of them. But that's how you put them together. And go ahead and do that, and then we'll get to putting the thing on the wall.